How to screen record on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. The screen recording option is generally in the control center of your device. If you have not customized your iPhone yet and do not have the screen recording option on your iPhone, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on Control Center. You'll find the screen recording option and tap on the plus symbol there. With this, you will get the screen recording in your control center. Now to start screen recording, open the control center and tap on the screen record button, and with this, the screen recording will begin. You will see the red button on the left side of your screen, which means the screen recording is taking place. In order to stop the screen recording, you can simply open Control Center again and tap on the screen record button to end the screen recording, or tap on the red button on the top of your screen. You will receive a pop-up. Tap on the stop option and the screen recording will end. All the screen recordings will be saved in your photos, so to find the screen recording, you can simply open Photos and view your screen recording, and this is how you can screen record on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.